In today's video tutorial, we will be looking at one of the easiest intraday trading strategy. We will predefine every aspect of trading, so that we know exactly what we are playing for. The key to successful trading is money management, risk management and discipline. A good trader knows when to exit a trade, knows what he is playing for, never plays for vengeance and has well-defined entry and exit points even before trade. We will cover all this in this tutorial. To cover our risk and money management, we will finalize the principal amount to be invested for trading and also finalize maximum daily stop loss. This will help you beat volatility and endure ups and downs of the stock market. You also need to stick to your trading discipline, which means you will trade every day and strictly stick to this trade setup and not change it till 1 month. As an example, we will consider your principal amount to trade is 50,000 rupees and you are willing to bear a loss maximum up to 500 rupees per day. Now we can look at the trading strategy. We will trade using opening range breakout. This is a simple and very easy technique, and does not need any chart or technical analysis tools. As per this strategy, a stock will go up or down in the same length, which it made in the first 15 minutes of the day. In the first 15 minutes, say your stock makes a high of 500 and a low of 475, then it may go up to 525, that is, high plus range, or fall to 450, that is, low minus range. Now we need to know how many shares can we buy or sell each day, so that we do not cross the decided stop loss. Since in this example, we have taken Rs 500 as maximum loss. On day 1, if the range is 25, then 500 divided by 25, we can trade with 20 shares. On day 2, if the range is 35, then 500 divided by 35, we can trade with 14 shares. And on day 3, if the range is 50, then 500 divided 50, we can trade with 10 shares. If you follow this religiously, your risk will be spread evenly across all trades. Now let us see how we will place our trading orders. On the day of trading, right at 9:30 am, we will place 4 orders. First will be a buy order at the high price. Second will be sell order at high plus range. Third will be a sell order at low. And fourth will be a sell at low minus range. This means, if the first order is executed, then second is your target and third is your stop loss. Vice versa, if third is executed, fourth is your target and first is your stop loss. You need to know, your orders will be executed only at breakout of the range, and hence we call this as opening range breakout strategy. You need to take a follow-up action once any of your orders are executed. If the stock breaks out on the upper side, this means your first order will be executed, then you need to cancel your fourth order, and if your stock price breaks down, then your third order will be executed and you need to cancel your second order. Now that we calculated our range and we know our risk capacity, let us look at the trading day. On day 1, at 9:30 am, if your stock has made a high of 500 and a low of 475, then you will place these orders. First order, buy 20 shares at 500. Second order, sell 20 shares at 525. Third order, sell 20 shares at 475. And finally, your fourth order will be, buy 20 shares at 450. The number of shares will always depend on range and your daily risk ratio. On day 2, at 9:30 am, if your stock has made a high of 550 and a low of 500, then you will place these orders. First order, buy 10 shares at 500. Second order, sell 10 shares at 525. Third order, sell 10 shares at 475. And finally, fourth order, buy 10 shares at 450. Here, since the first 15 minutes range is high, the number of shares is reduced to maintain your daily risk. With this strategy, for this example, you can earn up to Rs 500 or lose max Rs 500 per day, which is equivalent to the risk we decided at the beginning of this video. Backtesting shows a lot of stocks tend to follow this trend around 60 to 70% times in a month. This strategy has to be played over a month to realize profit as an average of profit and loss. Let us recap the highlights of this strategy. We have defined discipline, risk management, money management, chartless trading, and an easy and quick setup. Before each trade, we know the probability of the outcome, which makes this highly sustainable intraday trading technique to beat market volatility. I hope you liked this presentation. Do subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification icon for future video alerts. I suggest you to paper trade as per this strategy and practice before you get into the actual arena. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know your feedback with your comments in the comment section.